Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, I'm going to walk you through how to get free traffic for your affiliate marketing business. So I also going to reveal to you a website that you could get access to almost 60% USA free traffic. So as you can tell, we wanted to drive as much as traffic from USA because this traffic is very high quality. So that is why I'm going to reveal to you the site where you need to go in order to get 60% of USA traffic. Okay, so before we start, if you just came across to this video, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. And in this channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and online marketing in general. And be sure to smash the like button so that I can know that you like this type of content, so that I can produce more content similar to this in the future. Okay, so let's dive right into our content. So the website that I talk about is called gap.com. Okay, so head over to gap.com. You're going to land over this particular site. So for your information, this is some sort of another social media. I would say this is the next social media. But the best part about this social media is I want to drive your attention to this one, this data over here. Let's take a look at the data here. So this is the traffic that this site has been generating. So somewhere in December 2020, it only has like 10 millions, and then it increased rapidly to 50, and then now it slowly decreased and consistent at 18 million per month. And as you can tell, 18 million per month considered such an amazing amount of traffic, guys. So you can generate a lot of sale with this much traffic. And take a look at the bounce rate over here. The bounce rate is relatively low, which is only 38%, which means most people, they are spending more time to scroll down to consuming content on this particular site. So that is very good. And the most important part, as I told you, the 65%, the vast majority of the visitors were coming from United States. And just take a look at the second one, 6%, 4%, and France 2 and 1. And as you for your information, all these 5 countries are the first tier country in the world, means that their purchasing power is very powerful. So that is I think what so special about gap.com, because their traffic is very high quality. So just want to do some comparison to Facebook. All right, so Facebook is also, as you can tell, could bring you a lot of traffic as well. But just take a look at the source of the traffic on Facebook. Only 21% traffic from Facebook were coming from United States, and United Kingdom is only 4%, and Canada at the 5th place, only 3%, right? While on the other hand, gap.com can get 65% from United States traffic. Okay, so that is what most powerful about this site. All right, so now I'm going to log in. You can go to sign up. The sign up process is pretty straightforward. There's no investment needed. It is 100% free. There's no credit card information needed as well. Right, so what you can do, just simply put your username, email address, password, and etc. And then you're going to need to do the capture here, and then click sign up. Okay, and then it's going to be sending you the email confirmation. Just head off to your email and then click confirm. Right, so I have signed up with this website. So what I'm going to do is simply click login, and then I'm going to land over to this page and just simply log in, and then we are going to start to drive traffic to our offer. Okay, so what you want to do is go to the group tab here, click on the tab group, and then you want to sort by featured groups. All right, so because of the site is relatively new, so what we want to do, we want to find the groups that have most members. Okay, so we're going to sort by members count, and as you can see, there are so many groups with hundred of thousands of members. So we want to find a group that we could find any product that related to the group, so that we can promote our product in the group. Right, so for example, like maybe memes. I don't think there's a product available related to memes. Maybe, okay, gardening. All right, I think we can find a gardening product on Clickbank. Okay, survival as well. So there is a survival product on Clickbank, and let's take a look at the survival. Okay, so this is the product that I can think off the top of my head right now, that has something some product that we can promote as a affiliate. So same goes with food and cooking, maybe cats also underneath of the a pet, if I'm not mistaken. And natural remedies is also a big niche on Clickbank as well. So what we want to do here, and we're going to click on join group. Okay, so I've joined the group automatically. So it has two types of group, right? So as you can see here, this both group doesn't have any join group button here, right? So you can literally join and you're going to get approved automatically, while this one you're going to need to request. Okay, so I don't recommend you to join this group because it's going to take you like a couple of days in order to get you approved, right? And okay, so this is survival group, this is food and cooking, and this is natural remedies. I am the member of this group as well. So I think I'm going to go to promote the survival product on Clickbank. I'm going to get the product from Clickbank, as this niche is pretty good, pretty big on Clickbank. And then once you get joined, you might want to go through the about first, and then you might want to read the rules first. This one, notice to all, post off topic shit you would like to prompt banned from the group, right? So you might want to go through all this because this is so important. I think they are not allowing you to literally paste direct linking, affiliate link. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to reveal to you how you're going to promote your affiliate product in this group, right? So we have the niche and the group that you want to promote to. And then what we need to do next is I'm going to head off to Clickbank, right? So head off to Clickbank. So this is 100% free. And if you haven't signed up already, you might want to sign up. It is literally free. There's no investment or there's no credit card information required. So I have signed up and I'm going to literally log in and click login. So once you log in, just simply click on the marketplace. You're going to land over to this page. So we're going to promote a survival product. Okay, so I think it is under self-help, right? Self-help, and take a look at this one, survival. Just simply click on the survival, and then you're going to be able to see a lot of product related to survival. This is Trump cold plated, alive after the fall tree. Okay, this is good. And water freedom. So if you want to sort by we want to sort by gravity because we want to see what is the hottest product on this niche. So by far this is number 1 and this is number 2. Okay, cool. So if you were promoting this product, you're going to be able to get paid $42 every single sales that you bring in, and this one is $49. And this one is pretty good because instead of $49, you're also going to be able to get recurring income, which is $12, which is you just need to promote this product once, and then you're going to be able to get $12 every single month. So I think this product, it has some membership or subscription based product every single month. Okay, that's pretty cool. This one 40 and this one $48, and this one also has the recurring commission, which is $30, and I think this one is pretty good compared to this one. Okay, and I think the lost way has been around for a couple of years. This is pretty good product. I've heard about this product previously, so I think I'm going to promote this product. All right, let's take a look at the product page, the landing page of this product. So okay, this is what the product landing page looks like. Okay, it has the video sales later, which is very good. All right, cool. So what I'm going to do next is instead of promoting this product directly, you won't be able to do that as I told you. So what you need to do, we need to some sort of content. All right, so you can get the content from the affiliate JV page. Take a look at the affiliate JV page. So what we are looking for some sort of like article, maybe swap email, and then we're going to utilize all the marketing material, and then we can add value to this group. So the key point here is adding value. All right, so you won't be able to even though this group allow you to do the direct linking, you cannot spam. Right, people won't trust you, people won't buy to you if you just keep on spamming like buy. It's not going to work. So what you can do instead, you will need to put a lot of value, right, so that people will know, like, and trust you. So people will only purchase from you once they trust you. Okay, so this is all the marketing material. If you were doing email marketing, you can simply copy and paste to your email autoresponder here, but we're not going to do that in this video. So okay, cool. So actually, even though we are not doing email marketing, we can still also utilize all this email swap for our content material. Okay, so it has the banner here. We are looking for article, subject. Okay, cool. So it has a bunch of email swipe. That's pretty good. Okay, so it's okay. You can use this, but I want to give you some additional source if you won't be able, because some of the product on Clickbank, they do not provide you the email swipe, right? So what you need to do, if you couldn't find any marketing material that you can promote on the group, you can head off to Google and type in survival guide tips, and then you're going to see bunch of results for the survival tips, right? So what you need to do is, for example, like this one, top 10 outdoor survival tips. Get off to the sites, so you can see the 10 tips whereby you can simply copy and paste to the group, right? So but I don't recommend you to literally copy and paste, and what you need to do instead is, for example, like copy this one. Okay, click copy and go to the group that you want to promote. Okay, this one, going to click paste. So what you can do here is, instead of literally copy and paste, you might want to like spin the article a bit without literally copy and paste the article, because copy and paste is unethical. Okay, I don't want to teach you to do that. So but instead, what you need to do, like, you need to kind of like analyze and read the whole tips first. For example, a survival situation is not the time to panic. You are more likely to survive, right? For example, like maybe when, all right, so this is just an example, right? So as you can see, the meaning of the entire sentences is still the same, but I kind of like spin it a bit so that I don't go too far from the actual contents. All right, so you got the idea, and then I'm not going to do the whole, but I just want to give you some idea. So this is how you're going to be able to get tons of idea from the Google, right? And then you can post like a couple of tips every single day. And one most important thing, right after you finish to share the content, what you need to do is you need to put some link, which is, you can write something along the line of click the link down down below if you want more survival tips. Okay, so then what you need to do is you need to provide them your landing page. All right, so you won't be able to give your affiliate page here, because I'm afraid you're gonna get banned. But what you can do instead, you can give your landing page. All right, so now we're going to build our free landing page. So just simply go to site.google.com. So this is not some sort of like free trial landing page, because it is literally free. What you need to do is just go to site.google.com, and then you can sign up for literally free. Okay, so I'm going to pick like maybe I'm going to take a look at the template gallery here. This is work, small business, dog walker. Okay, maybe I'm going to take a look at this one here. Okay, for the sake of this example, I'm going to choose this one. So this is the site that we need to change a little bit of the site. For example, like change image. So you can find like maybe the image on this site. For example, you can find, okay, for example, like this one. Let's see if I can copy, I can save it as. So I'm going to put it on my desktop, and then I'm going to change this image, change image, and then upload. I'm going to go to my desktop and pick the image here. Okay, so it's changed. All right, so the name here, so maybe you can put something, maybe you can copy the headline of this this site, the lost way. Okay, maybe I'm going to simply put it here, like the lost way, the lost way. Okay, the lost way. And then, or actually you need to put something that very compelling in order to make people click. So the only thing that we need to do here, we want to make people click on our button or our affiliate link. All right, so I'm going to delete this one, and we're going to maybe replace this with the button later on. So maybe I'm going to delete this one as well. So now I'm going to scroll down and then put the button over here. So the name for this one is maybe click here to learn more. Okay, so I'm going to put the affiliate link. So this is very important. You don't want to miss this. So what you need to do is go ahead to affiliate Clickbank, and then this is the product. This is the product that we want to promote. Simply click promote, and then you're going to be able, okay, the affiliate is approved before being eligible. All right, so you need to request for the approval first, but I think this is the similar product from the similar vendor. Okay, so just for the sake of the example, okay, by the way, this is the similar product, okay, but this one is the lost way number 2. Okay, I'm going to generate hot links, and then I'm going to simply copy my affiliate link and then go back to the landing page and simply paste it here. So I'm going to insert the link, and now I have a button with my affiliate link inserted. Okay, so I'm going to drag it here. It's very simple, just drag and drop. Okay, so I'm going to put something like maybe click here to learn how to survive. Okay, for example, like this one. Okay, so I tried to get some sort of like copywriting video set important, please, blah, blah. All right, this is for the affiliate JV page. So for the sake of example, actually you might want to find something, some headline that really compelling, which is you can literally get it from the affiliate vendor page or the sales letter page. But today's video I just make for the sake of example. I don't want to drag this video too long, right? So but you got the idea. Okay, so this is the idea. You want to put some very simple headline here, and then some images on the background, and then simply click on the put the button over here, and then don't forget to put your affiliate link. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And then what you need to do next is simply click publish, and then this is your would be your URL. I'm going to type in the lost way 2, and then simply click publish. And then what you need to do is go to your site, right? So this is your site, and I'm going to copy the entire URL, and then I'm going to go to the group back, and then I'm going to paste it down here. Okay, simply paste it down here. So now once people consume your content, and then if they are interested to learn more, they're going to click on your site, and then when they land over to the site, and then when they click on the button, let's take a look at the button. Let's try it. So once they click, they're going to redirect to the landing page, which is your affiliate landing page, right? So I hope it makes sense to you. So this is the lost way. By the way, this is the lost way 2, okay, because I won't be able to get the affiliate link for the lost way 1, but you got the idea. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You can literally use the site google.com for literally free to build your landing page. Okay guys, so I hope you get some idea throughout this sharing, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button so that I know you like this type of content, and then I can produce more content similar to this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.